Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet. Before we get started, everyone wants to be the biggest loser these days. The media has brought so much impact to the public by displaying images of people bearing thin frames and muscular arms and thighs. Consequently, hordes of people wanted to follow, bringing in numerous products, services and diet plans in the market table. However, people should not forego the traditional, yet healthy way of bringing those fat deposits out of their body systems. If one does not want to go through risky procedures like surgeries and unapproved diet pills, then this method should be his or her friend, running to lose weight. Running is one of the best exercises a body-conscious person can do. It is pretty easy, since it does not include any gym equipment or materials, making it one of the most readily available exercises to do. And of course, a runner can bring with him or her an accompanying multimedia player, so he or she will not be bored while burning those fats and building those muscles on the road. Moreover, running is one of those exercises that burns overall body fat. Unlike other exercises that concentrate on one part of the body, running targets fats from all over the body despite the fact that only the knees are heavily working for the task. The up and down movements of the whole body make up the fat-burning process. Running to lose weight is a good start, especially for those people who would like to change their lifestyle, not only to look good, but also to feel good and live well.